Hey guys, my name is Ainsley Fulmer, and I chose to do my crisis management project on Pepsi. In 2017, they released a commercial that caused a lot of controversy within, and I will tell you all about it. So what happened? In the spring of April 2017, PepsiCo and Kendall Jenner teamed together to create a Pepsi advertisement with the intent of promoting unity and peace. However, because of lack of research, their goal in this commercial was incomplete and ended up offending many people across America. The ad began with a musician playing on the rooftop, and an image pans down to a crowd of protesters. Kendall Jenner is then seen posing for a photo shoot in the city. Behind her, she sees a protest going on filled with young adults. The next shot is a musician who is drinking a Pepsi. He decides to join the crowd. Kendall Jenner then removes her wig and makeup. She then also joins the protest. During this, she spots a police officer. She walks up to him, hands him a Pepsi. The officer then takes a sip of the can, and everyone celebrates together. Public response. Within 48 hours of the initial commercial response, PepsiCo had to take the advertisement off the air. They received an incredible amount of backlash from this. This ad caused many people to feel uncomfortable, and they referred to it as tasteless and tone deaf. There were many sarcastic tweets that were made over the incident. The image captured in the Pepsi commercial was also similar to an image captured when Evans was taking a stand in the Baton Rouge during protests, and she ended up being detained. So this is one of the tweets out of many. This user tweeted, "I can't believe Kendall Jenner ended police brutality and white supremacy with a can of Pepsi. Not bad for a girl with no talent." A lot of people were upset with this commercial because they felt it took away from all the protests, the Black Lives Matter movement, and everything else that was going on at this time. During these protests, police would shoot out tear gases at them, so they felt that it was just very insensitive to suggest that a can of Pepsi would be one to end all of this. So here is, on the left, the image of Kendall Jenner handing a police officer a can of Coke, and that is apparently what ended all of the protests, according to the Pepsi commercial. The image on the right, you see Evans being detained by two police officers in armor gear. She was just standing there being silent, hoping that her silence would speak. Unfortunately, she was detained after this, so a lot of people just felt that this commercial, again, was very insensitive to this. PepsiCo's response. The day the commercial aired, PepsiCo at first stood by it. They told Adweek, "This is a global ad that reflects people from different walks of life coming together in a spirit of harmony, and we think that's an important message to convey." The following day, after reviewing all negative responses they received from the commercial, the company released an apology in a press release. This was their formal apology. It reads, "Pepsi was trying to project a global message of unity, peace, and understanding. Clearly, we missed the mark, and we apologize. We did not intend to make light of any serious issue. We are removing the content and halting any further rollout. We also apologize for putting Kendall Jenner in this position." Kendall Jenner's response. Kendall Jenner herself had an unofficial response, an apology that aired months later on their reality show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. In this episode, you see Kendall breaking down to tears. She explains that her intent was never to hurt anyone. She says that she would never hurt someone on purpose, and if she had known the outcome, she would have never participated in such an advertisement. Evaluation. The type of crisis was a preventable crisis. This is because if PepsiCo's creative team and advertising team did more research on this topic, they would quickly understand that this was a sensitive topic for many people, and it could have been offended as it was. They would have understood that they were more likely to receive backlash from it, and they probably should have gone with another route. In my opinion, I believe that they could have been more sincere with their apology. It seemed that at first they were behind their commercial. They didn't see anything wrong with it, and the only reason why they did apologize was because they offended people, not because that they made the commercial in general. They at first thought that there was nothing wrong with it, so I felt that they could have been a little more sincere. And then with Kendall Jenner, I believe that she should have came out with an official apology on her own, not just hoping that people would see it on her reality show when many people probably don't watch it or didn't see the episode, and a lot of people didn't really think that she did make an apology unless they would have seen this. And because she is such a huge influencer and has a lot of fame, she is held up to higher expectations. So, thank you.